Today, I want to explore the profound meaning behind the famous quote, "Unity is strength." This powerful statement reminds us of the importance of positive thinking and its potential to bring about change in our lives. Unity is strength means that when individuals come together, united and working towards a common goal, their collective power far exceeds the sum of their individual abilities. It emphasizes the significance of teamwork, collaboration, and harmony in achieving success and overcoming challenges. This quote reminds us that by embracing a positive mindset and cultivating a spirit of unity and cooperation, we can elevate our personal and professional lives in extraordinary ways. When we stand united with others, we gain support, knowledge, and diverse perspectives that propel us forward and help us achieve our aspirations. By embracing a positive mindset and fostering unity, we can bring about transformations in multiple facets of our lives. Firstly, it allows us to build strong interpersonal relationships. When we approach interactions with a positive attitude, we create an atmosphere of trust, respect, and understanding, which promotes collaboration and cooperation. These meaningful connections enrich not only our personal lives but also bring forth new opportunities and growth. Secondly, a positive mindset and unity empower us to face challenges head-on. By perceiving obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning, we can resiliently and steadfastly overcome difficulties. When we work together as a team, leveraging our strengths and supporting one another, we can conquer the most arduous challenges and achieve success. Additionally, a positive mindset aids us in cultivating a problem-solving approach. We no longer get stuck in problems but focus on seeking creative and constructive solutions. When we stand united with others, combining our diverse skills and perspectives, we unlock rich innovative thinking and approaches that lead to breakthroughs and progress. In conclusion, the quote, "Unity is strength," reminds us of the transformative power of positive thinking and collaboration. By embracing this philosophy, we can change our lives by building strong interpersonal relationships, resiliently facing challenges, and cultivating a problem-solving mindset. Let us remember that through unity and cooperation, we can achieve extraordinary success and make a positive impact in our lives and the world around us.